Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's May 17th, a Friday morning, and corn market's kind of quiet. Beans getting support again and taking the leadership role in the strength here this morning. We've got strong meal sales yesterday. The NOPA crush is bigger than what it has to be to meet the USDA target, so that's another supportive factor. We've also got the Brazil stevedores probably going to go on strike again. They're talking about it and having a major strike this time instead of just a few hours or part of a day. So that is supporting U.S. soybean prices. Planting progress, I think, is the other factor that's definitely weighing on producers' minds. This week we could have record plantings as the window of opportunity for planting opened up here a little further and giving producers another day to a day and a half of potential planting as far south into southern Illinois and Indiana, and that's certainly supportive for the planting progress. However, it's weighing on corn futures, and in turn it is supporting soybean futures, as the principle of planting more corn, less soybeans is the talk of the trade here. And I think that is what we've seen yesterday, a tremendous amount. We've seen open interest increase in both corn and soybeans, with the corn being down and the beans being up. A lot of spreading going on there in the trade is what has been the influence in the grains. The wheat market, Russia continues to offer wheat to Egypt for as much as $30 to $35 a ton cheaper than U.S. wheat. So definitely a competitive edge there, and some reason for some pressure in the wheat market. Weather conditions look like we've got a few days of rain here. Some of the weather forecasters are giving 80% coverage this weekend for the Midwest, and then after that looks like we could be open for a few more days and get some more planting done. So Monday afternoon's planting progress report is going to be critical and be watched very closely, as guesstimates I'm sure will be in a very wide range when Monday and Sunday night come around. We get some numbers there for you. Look for some choppy trade there. The other thing, commodity markets in general is certainly having some headwinds here this morning, as the dollar is sharply higher, making new highs here for the recent move, up about 58 cents as we speak. So that is causing some lack of buying interest, you might say, in commodities in general. In the livestock trade, cash cattle traded yesterday at 125. That's $1 lower than last week, while cutout values continue to soar. We made new record highs again in choice beef yesterday with a 208.77 value. That was up 82 cents yesterday. Select, however, was 4 cents lower. We've got pork cutout values also extremely strong, 143 higher yesterday. It appears like the retailers are ramping up for the end of the month and the Memorial Day holiday, as looks like they may be doing some featuring there. They've got some opportunities to make some money, and that's what's happening. The packer margins and cutout value is certainly swung from the red to the black. The margins now are considerably higher than what they have been, and should give some incentive for the fed cattle prices to firm up. However, the biggest concern is once we get through with this featuring for Memorial Day, what's after it? We've got Father's Day and then the 4th of July, and usually get into a more sluggish time for demand. So that's got traders concerned. The other thing is traders are watching for this cattle on feed report this afternoon. On feed 96.5% placed, 114.7 is the trade average, and marketed at 102.2. The placement number is large, it appears to be large, but you've got to remember it's going against the number of last year that was significantly lower than normal. So giving a little bit maybe misguided thought here by having such a large number, but that's compared to against a year ago's number. So stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll get you the numbers here after 2 o'clock. If you got any questions, give us a call. It's 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, a safe weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.